All praises, gratitude, and thankfulness only belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our only creator, who created us from nothing, who gave us life, who gave us all the blessings that makes survival in this life possible.
You're all here now for the wedding reception and other parts of the program because the nikah was done earlier on June 5th, 2025.
That's why we are here tonight, not only to witness and celebrate, but more importantly, to pray for the success of the marriage of our brother and sister.
Kaya sa kanya, di siya amuin magbisara ulit. Iban uno-unoin iyan nung kanya, kaya kaagad niya. Kaya tipag sa kanyang patuhan.
Drifts away when the petals fall like they always do.
Kaya mga asawa ko, handa sila sa okay mo, murah-murahan, paghula-hula ta, pagbarakat sa Allah Ta'ala. Iban, anugaraan kita anak, sali ban sali, insyaallah, lasan.
Through it all will be in the end.
Ibina tuudin para kayo pasalan kita ko in taon sin struggle ni maway kay mo. Vina, dayang pagsukod ni matungkaw halayp si mga ulang ko. Kita ko in pagbabago niya. Totally. As in, iman, bihilan mo siya sa haya. Iman, inshallah murah-murahan kapag malakot pag-ula-ula.
Now I can see you secured at that home. I am always here for you, Bebe. Whatever and whenever you need me. Mr. Rafi, please take care of her gentle heart. Love her and keep her special. Keep her safe forever.
We'll begin again. I know we will. Through it all will be in the evergreen when the colors fade.
Kabiyaw tay mangud ikaw na inkiyawajiban mag-usa halal tungod ha asawa mo panamong niya pagkaon niya pamaymay niya.
I hope, inshallah, you will have a happily marriage life and also with kids.
Wish you all best for your life, for your future, both of you. Wish you all best.
I know you